Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, senior Shiromani Akali Dal leader Mahesh Inder Singh Garewal as well as Daljit Singh Cheema, they addressed a press conference over here in Ludhiana. We are having with us Mahesh Inder Singh Garewal. Garewal ji, today you have addressed media. What are the topics on which you have addressed?
There are two major issues: breakdown of law and order and corruption. See, the way government is working, it's not desired and deserved. Any government and every government not only supposed to, but should work according to the rule of law, as per the law of the land. But what they are doing is not that. Bikram Singh Majithia, the way he was treated when the day his house was raided, actually, the demand of the law was that a case should have been registered against the police who has gone in white, plain clothes to his house without disclosing their identity, without warrants for search, and they barged into the house. But now what they have done, they have, what media says, they registered a case against him for obstructing the police from performing their duty. See, one A, B, C, D who enters my house, unless he or she show their identity and disclose their identity, how can I permit them to? And moreover, when he's a Z protectee,
Right, right.
instead of registering case against the wrongdoer police officers, police has countered it by filing a false case, frivolous case against Mr. Majithia. I think another reason for that may be that Biba Ganeeb Kaur filed a petition before SSP Chandigarh that a police case may be registered against Vigilance Department for entering her house in her absence, breaking open the locks of Almirah's, causing mental tension and stress to her mother, and entering her house in her absence without her permission. It may be to counter that also. But in any way, what they have done is not justified under any provision of law of the land of today.
Then how Shiromani Akali Dal is now protesting against it? How you are going to take up this issue?
We have already protested on the 2nd. Next decision, we sought time from the governor. But since His Excellency is not well and advised bed rest for 1 week, after that, next program will be chalked out.
Garewal sir, you are a senior leader of Akali Dal. Akali Dal is struggling to bounce back. On that side, when action is taken against Bikram Singh Majithia and another FIR, how you see that? What kind of difficulties Akali Dal will have to face in the coming 2027 elections?
No, see, difficulties are only when there are people are not with you. Now people have realized this thing that it's only the regional party. And in state of Punjab, the only regional party is Shiromani Akali Dal. So they trust Akali Dal and they have faith in Akali Dal. Yes, sometimes when you perform, there are some lapses which occur. And for those, we the leadership and the President Sukhbir Singh Badal has already atoned their errors and the shortcomings which happened during their rule. So now I think people are satisfied and they are all out with us.
Internal rift between the Shiromani Akali Dal is already out for past several months, and even now Shiromani Akali Dal has made allegations against MLA Manpreet Ayali that are against irregularities, as well as highlighted that he is not opposing land pooling scheme. On the other side, Manpreet Ayali said that he's against this scheme and his 150 acres is also coming under this scheme.
That is all just to dil behlane ke liye ख्याल ये अच्छा है. Sir Manpreet Singh is hand in glove with government. The things, the circumstances makes it abundantly clear. First, Mukhyamantri pampers him. He's the best man, honest man, commits no wrong, and then giving a twist and tune to wash the impression that they are one. He tried to threat him, and subsequently his Kodam joins Aam Aadmi Party in Ludhiana election where he has no connection. So all these things make it very abundantly clear that what Sir Manpreet Singh Yali is doing is his master's voice, that is Aam Aadmi Party.
Thank you so much. So he was a senior Shromni Akali Dal leader Mahesh Inder Singh Garewal. So today he, along with Daljit Singh Chima, they addressed a press conference over here. They highlighted the FIR registered against the supporters of Bikram Singh Majithia for obstructing the vigilance team, and they opposed this move. They said that they will take up this matter with the senior authorities, and they will continue to protest against this. So you're watching Tarsuvera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.